In this video, I'm going to give you one simple drill you can do today with one box of ammo, 50 rounds, to help improve your pistol handling skills even when ammo is low. So stay tuned.
Yeah, the other teams are moving in the background,
All right, Carlos here with Range 11 Tactical. On this channel, we create content full of useful tips, techniques, and or drills just like this one to help you build and or expand your tactical knowledge base. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So you go to the store to buy some ammo and the shelves are empty. Ammo is just hard to find right now. It's estimated that in 2020, there were 17 million firearms sold and 3 to 5 million first-time gun owners. So that's a lot of people buying a lot of ammo, which is a good thing. However, now we're all stuck in this predicament where ammo is either hard to find or super expensive. However, that is no excuse for you to slack off on your training. In this video, I'm going to give you a simple drill with one box of ammo, 50 rounds to work on your pistol fundamentals. We'll work on your accuracy, your draw, your reload, and your follow through with just 50 rounds. Make sure you watch the video throughout because I'm going to give you pointers on what to work on each specific string of fire. I'm going to break down the target here in a minute, and then from there we'll take it out to the range so I can do a quick demo. So without further ado, here we go. So obviously I have this printed out on a nice little Word doc, but this could easily be done on a piece of printer paper with a Sharpie or even hand jammed into the cardboard, right? All you're going to need is 3 squares across the top. They're 2-inch squares, and then a 6-inch circle right below that. The way the drill works is the squares up top are for accuracy, right? No shot timer, no speed required. We're making sure everything's aligned, everything's perfect, and we're focusing on accuracy. First square there in the middle is going to be simply fire 10 rounds with both hands or freestyle for accuracy. Then we're going to transition to strong hand only for 5 shots onto that right hand square there. Then we'll transition to the left hand square for an additional 5 rounds with our support hand only. So 10, 5, and 5. Like I said, focusing on accuracy, make sure every shot counts. Once we get done with that, then we're going to transition into this 6-inch circle. Now our focus is going to be weapon handling skills and speed, right? So first string of fire is going to be 10 rounds. Draw and fire 1 round as fast as possible, right? So good efficient draw. As soon as our sights are in that circle, let the shot break, right? I want you to push yourselves, right? If you're shooting a nice little rat hole in the middle there, you're going way too slow, right? Push yourself until you kind of start breaking down a little bit. And then once you do, simply slow down slightly so you start getting your hits again. With time, that's how you're going to get faster, right? So second string of fire is another 10 rounds for a 1 reload 1 or 5 repetitions of that. Focusing, of course, still on that good draw in that first round. But our focus now is going to be a good, efficient reload for that second shot. And then the last string of fire is simply going to be another 10 rounds for a draw and fire 2 rounds. The beauty of that last string of fire there is now I'm going to hold you accountable for these first 2, right? Because on the 1 reload 1 and draw and fire 1, if you had a sloppy grip, you probably could still get away with it and get your hits. But now that you're required to fire 2, if your grip isn't ideal or perfect, you're going to pay for it. You're not going to be as efficient or as fast, right? So that's the drill. Let's take it to the range for a quick demo. Here we go. All right, so we're going to do this drill from about the 5-yard line. The first part is going to be 10 shots for accuracy, freestyle. Here we go. All right, do 5 strong hand only. Here we go. All right, and then 5 weak hand only. All right, so that's the accuracy part there. Now we're going to transition to speed. It's going to be draw and fire 1 round, All right, 141. I could probably push that a little bit. 128. I could probably push that a little bit more. 119. Let's give it one more. 113. I could probably push a little bit more. But you see, I'm kind of breaking up a little bit, so I'm going to kind of live in that home there for a little bit. All right, so the next drill is going to be the one reload one. You simply insert full magazine, load, and then do a mag exchange for an empty one, and then the drill is set. So here we go. Again, it can be on a beep or it can be on a threat, whatever you decide. Here we go. All right, that was slow. Let's do it again. So pick up my empty mag exchange. And we are set up again. Here we go. A little better. 320. I know I can get into twos. Mag exchange. We'll do it one more time. .304. We'll set up one more time. Here we go. .283. They're all in. So that's the drill there. One reload one. All right, this last drill is going to be the draw and fire 2. We're working on the splits. That's what we're concentrating on right now, on the splits. Here we go. .31, I could push that. 31 split. Oh. 33. 23, let's go one more, see if I can push it. It's still in there. .21. So I'm concentrating on the splits on that last one. Make sure I have a good tight grip. Make sure my shots count. All right, that's the video there. Quick, easy 50-round drill, but it works all the fundamentals, right? Accuracy, your draw, your presentation, your reloads, weapon handling skills, all in one simple but efficient drill. So if you enjoyed it, please leave me a comment down below. As always, consider subscribing so you can catch my latest videos. With that, stay safe and train hard.